Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So today we will discuss about latest and gorgeous folding door slides designs and ideas with pictures in 2023. So sliding folding doors is one of the most great is the thing and very great thing. Doors make for the most important elements in the house. They offer security, safety, and of course privacy. While doors are inevitable to your house, they don't come in a one size fits all, especially if you live in a narrow spaces or extra large homes with wide entrances. Folding doors designs outsmart the standard doors. They are flexible, innovative, and stylish. Just want your dream home needs. So sliding folding door, as the name suggests, folding doors are foldable designs with a series of movable panels. They are an extended version of sliding doors which are work wonderfully for interiors and exteriors. This article serves as your guide to understand the importance of foldable door design types and buying tips. All this plus latest designs, so keep watching this video. So folding door is a design of precision and advanced engineering where panels of doors are out together to fold and open. There are also bifold doors or bifolding doors, sliding and also sliding doors even though the number of panels is more than 2. So these folding and sliding doors are mostly made with wood, metal, or a UPVC with glass for better view and ventilation. But the wood is very used to for folding sliding door. But metal and UPVC is also used. But the main highlighted for wood. So before doors comes with two doors or two sets of two doors with four doors in total. So here are some of the best designs of folding doors to choose from. Room divider doors and closet doors, raised panel doors, different doors are here. So you can collect the ideas. They are widely used for separating a large space into two rooms and usually made with glass. They are also called French bifold glass doors. So different doors are here. They come with two or four doors and used as a wardrobe doors. These doors are made with wood panels or blind called lowered doors. They are made for closet or pantries and created used raised wood panels. So different designs are here and a very great thing, and I think this is very everyone used. So like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.